day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is how to skim coat a wall. Now skim coating a wall isn't very difficult, but it is time consuming. You want to make sure that you don't put too much mud on there to leave a lot of imperfections in your wall, but you want enough on there to hide all the imperfections that are already on the wall. For this job I'm going to be using some drywall mud and a trowel. You want to make sure that anywhere that has been taped or needs to be taped is gone ahead, taped, and put a thin coat over the top of it to hold that tape into place. So after all that's done, we're ready to start putting our skim coat on. We're going to take our mud, put it onto our trowel, start at the top, and just work our way down. All we're doing right now is transferring the mud from our tray to the wall. So it doesn't have to be perfect on there, but you want to make sure that you don't glob it on there. After you have enough mud on area on your wall, you want to make sure you don't go too big, just enough so you can work with it, but you don't want too much on there where it starts to dry before you can get to it. So we got a small section here. You want to take your trowel and hold it at about a 15-degree angle from the wall, put a little bit of pressure on there, and glide it across. What we're doing is we're dragging all the excess mud down and covering the rest of the holes. So we'll do this several times so that way we can evenly distribute the mud. After that small section's done, you can go ahead and work your way down through the rest of the wall. Skim coating a wall does take a lot of time, but it saves a lot of money from having to tear out all those walls, putting up new drywall, and mudding and bedding those too. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.